So my name is Liam McCord. I am the area manager for the Bay of Plenty region, and we work for CB Civil and Construction, which is a civil engineering firm that focuses on the three waters predominantly, but we also branch out into all aspects of civil construction. So today we're out at our Kaline Place Omokoroa site. We're undertaking a project for Housing Foundation New Zealand, which is a charity group that looks at constructing low-cost housing for the low socio-economic people of New Zealand. We took this site over around 6 months ago as a forested piece of land. Since then we've cleared the scrub, undertaken a variety of earthworks and preloading, including an MSC retaining wall, which is around 200 metres long. We're now in the summer season, which we're gearing up to hook into preload removal and into the civil works come the new year. So myself, I've been in the industry for 16 years total. I've been involved in both the client side, consulting side and construction side. I've been employed with CB Civil for around 3.5 years now, where I started on the Peacock's Rising Main project in the Waikato. It's been 1 year, 3 months since we established a Bay of Plenty office. Our office here has grown from 5 staff to around 35 to 40, fluctuating on weather generally, where we have a management team of 4 full-time engineers and supervisors. We work typically on council projects, but also hook into the private sector when needed. We have 3 main projects, all legacy projects at the moment, spanning upwards of a year long, and looking to get onto the TCC panel works in the upcoming year. On the current project at Kaline Place, it's predominantly an earthworks job, which leads into civil pipelaying. 2 of the subcontractors that we employ here is Danix Group and Earthtech Excavations. We've worked alongside these 2 subcontractors for many years and find their particular skills in both earthworks and drainage a real asset to the company. The machines that the guys have are GPS equipped with A2 hitches, which enables them to undertake a variety of complex excavating works. Having them on this project has been essential to the success of the project. Both of them have been here since the start, and they will be till the end. Not only are they an asset to us construction-wise, but a great members of the team too. So when we purchase an excavator and spec the A2 hitch, we typically will always purchase a wide bucket, a dig bucket and a trenching bucket to suit, both with teeth and with bladed dig buckets for trenching exercises. We find that the interaction between the hitch and the specific A2 buckets is seamless, and we would always buy the package together. One of the big successes of the Tauranga team with CB Civil is we got onto the Tauranga City Council Three Waters panel. So it's a new procurement scheme that the council has introduced, which starts off 2024. This has a range of Three Waters projects, each project in excess of 50 million, which CB Civil has been successful on the panel, and we'll be gearing up and heading into those projects mid-2024. So one of our other projects is a community project. We are installing a new jetty or pontoon for the Wairoa Rowing Club on the Wairoa River. So we've been tasked with the construction of the piling, pontoon installation, gangway, concrete access ways and various retaining wall works along the riverbed. It's a sensitive project, both to the iwi, to the local environment, and the rowing club members themselves. And so we're doing our best and utmost to impress the community on that project, for sure. CB Civil owns a lot of its own excavating gear, alongside our subcontractors' excavating gear. Both our subcontractors and CB Civil equipment utilises A2 hitches. We've dabbled in other hitches in the market and found that A2, specifically the heli-tilt system, is superior to others on the market. We wouldn't go back, and for all new equipment purchase, we would definitely request A2 hitches are installed.